Hey everyone, welcome to Fame Decode Insider. Let's talk about Ananya Pandey's dance sequence from Chand Mera Dil, which has become one of the most talked about movement online right now, but not for the reasons the makers probably expected. There is a particular scene in the film where Ananya performs a classical dance routine, and many viewers feel the execution was extremely weak. The posture, expressions, hand movements, and overall body language looked unpolished, which immediately caught people's attention on social media. What's surprising is that this scene was clearly designed to impress the audience inside the movie. But in reality, audience outside the theater are reacting very differently. In fact, Lakshy's confused expressions during the scene almost felt relatable because many viewers were wondering the exact same thing. Now, to be fair, this criticism is mainly about the dance sequence and not Ananya's entire performance in the movie. A lot of people actually feel that her acting in Chand Mera Dil is better than some of her previous work. Over the years, she has definitely shown improvement as an actress, but this particular dance performance ended up becoming unintentionally viral. Anyone familiar with classical dance understands how important postures, mudras, expressions, and precise movements are. Even basic training could have made a huge difference here. Nobody expects every actor to become a professional classical dancer overnight, but audience do expect visible effort, especially when a dance performance is such an important part of this scene. And honestly, this issue is becoming common among many younger Bollywood actors today. Some struggle with dancing, some struggle with acting, and others still have problem with dialogue delivery or speaking Hindi fluently. Yet in interviews, many of them presents themselves as if they are deeply committed to perfecting their craft. The point isn't that every actor must excel at everything, but if a film requires dance training, language improvement, or better performance skill, then audience naturally expect actors to prepare properly. One thing people often say about star kids is that they get the luxury of learning while working. Ananya herself is an example of gradual improvement. When she debuted in 2019, many viewers were not impressed with her acting, but after years in the industry, she has slowly become more comfortable on screen and started choosing roles that suits her better. Still, because star kids receive repeated opportunities, audience also judge them very strictly. That's why people don't easily ignore weak performances anymore. The internet reaction to this dance scene have been brutal. Some comments called it hidden talent that should stay hidden, while others questioned whether viewers being gaslighted into believing the choreographer looked good. Many people even joked that the movement looked robotic rather than graceful. At the same time, the film itself is receiving a somewhat mixed to positive response overall. Viewers seem to like part of the story, although the box office performance has started slower than expected. Reports suggest that the makers intentionally kept ticket price lower so younger audiences, especially college students, could afford to watch the film. The movie reportedly has a budget of around 45 to 50 crore, so it still needs stronger collection to become a proper success. Dharma Productions also secured the OTT deal before release, which has become a common strategy nowadays to reduce financial risk in case a film underperforms in theaters. Even the film's promotional strategy felt more controlled this time. Compared to other Dharma releases, the cast gave fewer interviews and there wasn't extremely aggressive marketing. Some people feel the makers wanted to avoid unnecessary controversy or negative publicity during promotions. But again, viewers keep coming back to the same question. When the filmmaker watched the final cut, did nobody feel the dance sequence needed improvement or a reshoot? And honestly, Bollywood audience today are much less forgiving than before. Earlier, glamour alone could carry a performance, but now audiences expect convincing acting, strong storytelling, natural dialogue delivery, and genuine effort from actors. Whether it's Ananya Pandey, Sara Ali Khan, Janvi Kapoor, Khushi Kapoor, or other star kids, viewers are no longer satisfied with average performances simply because someone comes from a film family. At the end of the day, audiences don't hate privileged actors for existing. They just expect them to work hard enough to justify the opportunities they receive. So, what do you think about the controversy around Ananya Pandey's dance performance in Chand Mera Dil? Was the criticism justified or are people being too harsh? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bollywood news and entertainment updates.